Our guest host here is Sam, sharing with us her unboxing of a new HP Envy laptop, which features among others a touch screen. This laptop has Windows 10 operating system, which brings back the start menu from Windows 7. Welcome friends to a new unboxing episode of Sibanga 360. Sam shows us her unboxing of a new HP Envy X360 2-in-1 laptop with Windows 10 operating system. So here, we will just run down the key features of this device as spelled out by HP. Built for Windows Ink, it brings ideas to life with the power of a digital pen and imagination. This 15.6 inches Full HD touch screen for hands-on control beauty has touch navigation which makes the most of Windows 10. The 1920 by 1080 resolution boasts impressive color and clarity, IPS technology for wide viewing angles with LED backlight. This is powered with 8th Gen Intel Core i5-8250U mobile processor with ultra-low voltage platform. Quad-core 8-way processing. The Intel Turbo Boost Technology 2.0 delivers dynamic extra power. With 12 GB system memory for full power multitasking, this matches plenty of high bandwidth RAM with guaranteed smooth run of games and photo and video editing applications as well as multiple programs and browser tabs at the same time. It has 1 TB hard drive for ample file storage space, which can hold a significant collection of digital photos, music, HD videos, and DVD quality movies. The 7200 RPM spindle speed enables rapid read-write times for handling large files and complex applications. One selling point of this laptop is its convertible design. The 360 degrees geared hinge is engineered to rotate 360 degrees to allow using the device in 4 modes. Embedded in the chassis is an Intel UHD Graphics 620 which can smoothly stream content and play games. Exceptionally rich audio experience complements the laptop with dual HP speakers, HP Audio Boost, and expert tuning by Bang & Olufsen, bringing audio perfection. It is not that heavy to carry and weighs 4.75 pounds and is 0.8 inch thin overall. It features an ultra-portable design to achieve a compact form factor, 3-cell lithium-ion battery. Bluetooth interface synchronizes with compatible devices like wirelessly transfer photos, music, and other media between the laptop and Bluetooth-enabled cell phone or MP3 player or connect wireless accessories. It has plenty of ports with 1 USB Type-C and 2 USB 3.1 ports. The USB 3.1 Type-A ports are backward compatible with USB 2.0 devices at 2.0 speeds. HDMI output expands your viewing options. Connect an HD TV or high-definition monitor to set up 2 screens side by side or just see more of the big picture. The built-in card reader for simple photo transfer which is available. This multi-format digital MIDI card reader supports a variety of media cards. It now supports next-gen wireless AC connectivity. Connect to a wireless AC router for nearly 3 times the speed, more capacity, and wider coverage than wireless N, which is 150 Mbps. Backward compatible with all other Wi-Fi networks and hotspots. Built-in HP Wide Vision FHD IR camera with dual array digital microphone makes it easy to video chat with family and friends or teleconference with colleagues or over Skype or other popular applications. Backlit keyboard for easy typing in dim or dark locations. Features an island-style keyboard with numeric keypad and chiclet keys, a touchpad supporting multi-touch gestures. Additional connectivity ports include microphone in, headphone out, combo jack. The only thing missing on this unit is a DVD CD drive, but some will hardly miss that though. Now that we're done with unboxing, thanks for viewing this unboxing experience, and please subscribe to our channel and watch more of our previous videos. See you next time, and always appreciate your support.